People, today I want to tell you the story of how dancehall super producer Skatta challenged Foota Hype former artist Fully Bad to do a positive song.
In forward that song there, I couldn't believe. I mean, I say, where you find them words from you and the man from Skatta? I go study. I say, why you there have to study? The man said, because nobody never yet sit me down and tell me, say, yo, this is what I want from you. And the reason I realize, say, you tell me, say, yo, this is what I want from you, it make me feel like I need to challenge myself, figure research.
And Skatta love the song so much, people, that him call Lukey D if come do the background vocals. We are talking about Lukey D, one of the biggest vocalists from Jamaica. So people, I have a live with Skatta tell the full story, and I have the song for you hear it, people. So I go play the song, roll the intro, and then we get right into it.
Nothing a day as of you smile bout. If Andrew are golden, spend a one night pan the gully, them will find out. So when I youth jobless and in my face poverty, more time them a go wild out.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back, people. So for those who don't know, Skatta is one of the most successful producers in dancehall. I'm here to talk about of all time, right? And you know him work up till about 2008 when he decided to take a break, but now he might get back to the music. And we are talking about some of the hit rhythm them where Skatta produced like Coolie Dance, Martial Arts, Self-Defense, and Bad Company, and that is just the name of few. Right? But people, if you don't know who Fully Bad is Foota Hype former artist. But now, him signed with a different record label and Skatta challenge him to do a positive song. So a lot of people might also know Fully Bad from the Unruly Clash them, right? From the thing where Popcorn used to keep and Fully Bad used to just kill DJ up on stage there. So you saw me I say Bad Clash artist. But people, we have a different song from Fully Bad today. So the song is called We Not Smile Again and it's produced by Skatta. And people, me I go make Skatta telling you why him choose Fully Bad. Because Fully Bad did something way back in 2016 that Skatta rate. So we are going to play the song and then we are going to make Skatta talk. Here is the song. Take a listen to these powerful words.
We not smile again. We survive and been through it all. Them a pray hard for we don't fall, but them will never see me ball. We not smile again. We not smile again. Them will never see me ball. Nothing a day as of you smile.
We not smile again, man survive and been through it all. Them a pray for see me don't fall, but they will never see me ball. We not smile again. Powerful words the youth say. That's the hook of the song, but like me say, I go make Skatta telling you why him decide to choose Fully Bad when him a get back in a music right now. The first artist him choose work with is Fully Bad. So I go make Skatta talk that part there and then we are going to move on to the first verse of this powerful song.
I remember, I think it was 2016 on a Magnum stage. On a Magnum stage, Fully Bad performed. Foota carry him there for perform. A Foota artist, them time there, they I them know that. See? Foota carry him there for perform. And you don't know, when the show done and the performance them I go and me man love go around the sound mixer and mix the artist them. So I'm around there and I mix Fully Bad and I'm a DJ and I'm a go on. And for you to never have no song, you see say him a try and him a do him thing and him a try to reach the people and him a do what him know. I'm a mix him and but I never get no impact based on how him DJ, you know. But when him finish DJ, him come over to me and say, yo, Skatta, give thanks for the mixing us. Give thanks to give me that strength. Big up yourself. Remember them time the Foota like a bone in me and a Foota artist. And Foota artist still come over to I and say, thank you. Show me that gratitude there. Then if him go show me that gratitude there, you don't think it go stay with me? Because I whole heap of Magnum show me the mix. I give them some blows not mix. Because me are the baddest in a mixing. And I'm the only artist over the 11 years of Magnum will come and say thank you.
So no hear that people talk about paying it forward. right? So him did something in 2016, a simple gesture as just saying thank you to Skatta, and Skatta never forget that, right? What Coffee say, gratitude is a must. So people want to learn today. Just always say please and thank you. And not that alone, just always be nice overall. You never know what to do for you further down the line. People, let's get into the first verse of this song, We Not Smile Again by Fully Bad. Here goes.
Nothing a day as of you smile bout. If Andrew are golden, spend a one night pan the gully, them will find out. So when a youth jobless and in my face poverty, more time them a go wild out. This shit stream designed for paint man as vigilante, so we a hide out. Stick a bubble and not take no time out. We not smile again. Self-awareness and consciousness, man, I navigate through this battlefield. Man, still have to rise and take on the road. Though my pocket empty and me not have a meal. And me not rely upon government. Man, have to seek them own empowerment. Before man earn dollar, man, I seek some sense and some intelligence. We not smile again.
Talk it truth, people. Real powerful words, real impactful. I'm not lie to you, Jano. I feel every word what him say. Jano people. Some of the other things where Skatta did talk about, Skatta talk about say, when you see a whole community stand behind them artists, you know say him go somewhere. And he must say that are the case with Fully Bad. Him forward from Cassava Peace, where Movada them and Foot them forward from, and Skatta say when him go up there, the whole community come out. You see what I say in support of Fully Bad. Him say, the way him know say Fully Bad always a roll with him whole community like that. When him call him for come at the studio, him thinks him will come with a bunch of people, so him buy this bag of liquor and all of that. And Fully Bad surprise him again. Fully Bad forward with two other people. Him and two other people. But people, I have some more at the video where Skatta talk about how him get across him point to Fully Bad and tell Fully Bad what him want him to sing about. I'm going to play that for you so you can hear what Skatta say, and then we check into the second verse of the song. So let's hear what Skatta say. Here goes.
I send him the rhythm, and the youth shout me and say, yo God, you know long, I want to work with the star and give me a man, give me energy and rate. And before I fly out, December 23rd, before I fly out, I met with him. December 21st or something, one of them did it. 2 days before I leave. And me and him reason, and me assure him say, yo, I want a song from you, but yo, no. Me no want them bullet in the head something there and them chopping something there, them chop type of song there, whole heap of song. So me sure him say, me don't want a chop song, me don't want re. Cause them song the full of lyrics, yes, but me want different type of stuff. And me and him reason, and me make him know where me are forward off, because I say, I don't know if you used to follow up my page, but me as a youth, over the years, me evolve and get on a certain level, you know? So if me go show out a song with all the youth, like, you know, more a song will make a certain statement. I'm showing them what I believe in, I'm showing them what I think about what going on in the state of country and so forth. And me and him all have decent vibes. For a youth, I'm surprised that me and him could have sit down and talk for an hour and just get certain things cross, you know?
People, me really have to tell you, I really respect Skatta because he's a man of principle, right? Because when him even talk about Foota Hype, he must say Foota Hype have a talent for fine, good talent, musical talent. He must say Foota Hype tell him about the singing blocks. When you know singing blocks is Movada, right? Long before Movada bust. Him say him tell Foota about I doing and I tell him about how doing a bad. And Foota say, you know why you hear nothing about no I doing and singing blacks him a deal with. That time Movada not even have a song yet. And see it now, Movada one of the biggest dancehall artists. So him pay him respect to Foota. You saw me and say, you know, say them used to have them differences, but now it look like everything good. But when time him talk good about Foota, and me can't do nothing about respect that. You see what I say? Another thing he must say about Foota Hype, he must say because Foota Hype did have problems with people on the internet, you know what I mean? People automatically put that on Fully Bad. And it's true, people. You know what I mean? Him get caught up in a lot of things when I have nothing to do with him. You see me? And that the kind of set him back. So now, this are the song where we start, you know what I mean? Put him in the right direction. So let's take a listen to the second verse.
Them can't press me like grape in a vineyard. Have a dream, so me DJ, me sing hard. We are digging at the street, anywhere dip on a beat. We are bleach from Rockford to Windward. From cassava beast got to big yard. We are encourage every youth for looking wards. Find yourself, know your purpose, loud the circus. Our money we come in a surplus. Them build community without opportunity. Then them expect to see unity. Father figure role model, a few we see. Man a rough it from puberty. Mama said be wise, son, don't get hypnotized. Keep your goals and dreams alive. One day you must hit the prize, just rise. We not smile again.
So people, more want to tell me honestly what you think about the song. I'm going to put the link to the full song so you can hear the song in a one piece without me talking, without Skatta talking. And you can subscribe to Skatta and Fully Bad YouTube, right? So I'm going to put all of the link them in the comment section. People, I am convinced that this is a good song. Based on what Skatta say, how the song come by, you know what I mean, and Fully Bad himself deciding to give something else a try. You know what I mean, something out of the norm of what I'm used to. I'm convinced, I'm all for it. Me want to know what you think about it. Put it in the comment section below and tell me what you think about this song. You know, see me I say support the artist, people. Him deserve it, at least for that one. You see me? So no make me know what you think down in the comment section. Everybody big up on yourself. Please share this video and let's get this song going. You saw me I say let's get the song out there. When you say you want positive music, here is positive music from a big producer and a big artist. So thank you people, thank you everybody for watching. Big up Fully Bad, big up Skatta. Alright, I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG, Atina. Excuse me, Dancehall IG, Rich. Punk, should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.